Hello, how are you from wherever you are? Hope you're good. For this effect, what you're going to do is you head onto CapCut. Alright, sorry. The first thing you need to do is head onto CapCut, then you pick a picture, that's a blank picture, that black, let's just say a wallpaper. Then you add it as a new project before you start adding the text. Here you get. Alright, sorry about that. So when you pick your text, you type in the text you want to use. For me, I'm going to use soft life. Soft life. Who does not want soft life now? Alright, so after typing soft life, I'm going to use the keyframe feature. If you have not seen the keyframe video, you can check on my videos, my previous videos. I did a video on it. So after picking the keyframe, as you can see on the screen, so I'm going to shift it to the last part, then zoom my soft life, which is the text. I'm going to zoom it till it covers the screen, the total screen. Please do that with your 2 fingers. You can't do that with your 1 finger. It's not going to be possible. So I'm using my 2 fingers to zoom. Alright, so after doing that, I've achieved that. Then I'm going to export this particular video. So let's wait for it to export. So I'm going to add on to a new project, then pick the video we are going to be using, the main video we are going to be using. So I'm going to pick this short video, which is 10 seconds. So after picking the video, you see how the video looks like. Alright, that's the video over there. So I'm going to hit overlay, then add the video we just exported. So let's wait as I add the video. Albums. That's the video up there. 3 seconds. So I'm going to pick the video, then boom, we have the video there. So I'm going to zoom the video till it covers the main video because we used portrait for that. So I'm going to hit splice. You can see what I did there, and hit darken. So that's just it. Very simple. Very simple. I hope you got that. You hit splice, then you hit darken, then just play your video. So it's as simple as that. So you can use this intro in any of your videos, be it your podcast video, be it a tutorial video. Just make sure you get creative. So thank you for watching. Export your video and boom, you're done. If you love this video, please like and subscribe for more. And don't forget to share. Thank you.